When venturing into the great outdoors, whether it's for a day hike or a multi-day backpacking trip, having a reliable fire starter is essential. A fire can provide warmth, light, and the ability to cook food, making it a vital component of any outdoor adventure. However, not all fire starters are created equal, and choosing the best one for hiking can greatly enhance your experience in the wilderness. In this guide, we will explore the top fire starters available on the market today, focusing on their durability, ease of use, and effectiveness in various weather conditions. We will consider a range of fire starting options, from traditional methods to innovative tools designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a beginner, this comprehensive overview will help you find the ideal fire starter to meet your needs. 4. UST Strike Force Fire. The UST Strike Force is a highly rated fire starter, ranked as the 4th best fire starter according to user reviews. It has received positive feedback for its impressive shower of sparks and its ability to ignite flammable tinder. This fire starter is particularly suited for survival and outdoor fire starting in adverse conditions. Users have praised its lightweight design, durable construction, and the inclusion of a storage compartment. It has been tested in various weather conditions, including rain and wet environments, and has proven effective. Some users have noted that it can be a bit bulky, but overall, it is highly recommended for anyone who spends time outside and requires a reliable fire starter. Additionally, the UST Strike Force has a convenient storage area and has been a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and Boy Scouts alike. 3. Uberleben Kräftig Fire. The Uberleben Kräftig Fire Starter is a compact and durable fire starter that has received positive reviews. It features a 1/2 inch ferro rod that produces a strong shower of sparks at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for mountaineers, hunters, and campers. Despite its convenient 5 inches length, it offers a reliable performance and can withstand up to 20,000 strikes. The shock cord lanyard adds flexibility and multiple securing options during striking. The striker itself acts as a multi-tool, serving as a concave tinder scraper, map scale, hex wrench, ruler, straight-edge spine, and bottle opener. The Uberleben Kräftig Fire Starter is waterproof and capable of igniting kindling in various altitudes and environmental conditions. However, it is worth noting that this fire starter may not be budget-friendly. Overall, it is a versatile and durable option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable fire starter. 2. Premium Ferro Rod Fire. Holtzmann's Ferro Rod is a heavy-duty 6-inch x 1/2 inch ferrocerium rod fire starter kit that offers versatility, lightweight design, and high portability. It has received positive reviews with an overall satisfaction rating of 9.9. The packaging, portion size, quality of material, and value for money are highly appreciated by users. The kit includes a ferro scraper that doubles as a ruler and bottle opener. It is made of high-quality magnesium, ensuring ultra-hot sparks and durability. The portable design makes it easy to store and carry while traveling. However, some customers have reported missing paracord upon delivery. Similar products to Holtzmann's Ferro Rod include Lightning Nuggets N100 SEB Super Economy Box Fire Starter, UST Wet Fire Tinder, and Ignito FS 855-24 Instant Fire Starter. These alternatives offer different features and functionalities for fire starting in various outdoor situations. Overall, Holtzmann's Ferro Rod is a popular choice among customers, with the majority of reviews being positive, highlighting its effectiveness and quality. 1. Fire Fast Trekker. The Fire Fast Trekker Survival Fire Starter is a highly rated fire starter known for its durability and high heat output. It features a military-grade magnesium rod and a scraper made from hardened steel. The fire starter has a compact design with a 3-inch solid wood handle, making it easy to grip even in winter conditions. The 1/2 inch wide flint produces fast sparks for easy fire starting. It is designed to work in wet conditions and can be used with the wood handle as a source of tinder. The fire starter is built to withstand abuse and remains functional even after being dropped in water or on rocks. While it may be a bit more expensive compared to other options, it is considered worth the extra cost. After considering various options, the best fire starter for hiking would be the Fire Fast Trekker Survival Fire Starter. It stands out for its military-grade magnesium rod, hardened steel scraper, and compact design. The solid wood handle provides a comfortable grip, even in winter conditions, and can be used as a source of tinder. With its wide flint, it produces fast sparks for easy fire starting, making it reliable in wet conditions. Moreover, its durability and ability to withstand abuse make it a reliable companion for hiking trips. While it may be priced slightly higher than other alternatives, the Fire Fast Trekker Survival Fire Starter offers excellent performance and is well worth the investment for hikers seeking a reliable fire starter.